In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful content repurposing system using ChatGPT to transform your ideas across multiple platforms. I'll start by opening a new chat and heading over to my notepad to grab my foundational prompt. I want to define a clear role, so I'm telling the AI that I'm Josh, a content creator, and I need it to be my dedicated repurposing assistant. After I paste this into the chat, ChatGPT confirms it understands the goal: to adapt my content's length, tone, and format while keeping the core message and value intact for every platform. Now that the assistant is set up, I'll give it a real-world task. I'm going back to my notes to copy a request to take a long-form blog post about morning routines and turn it into 3 different assets: a 5-slide LinkedIn carousel, a 60-second video script, and a short email newsletter intro. As I hit send, you can see how quickly it generates these. It crafts the carousel with clear slide headings and punchy text, writes a high-energy script perfect for TikTok or Reels, and finishes with a professional email that includes a clear call to action to read the full post. Moving on, I want to see how it handles different types of source material, so I'll paste in a request for a 30-minute podcast transcript. I'm asking the assistant to turn that transcript into a structured blog post and a comprehensive Twitter thread of 8 to 10 tweets. Notice how it identifies the 3 biggest mistakes mentioned in the podcast and organizes them into an easy-to-read article with subheadings and a conclusion. Right below that, it provides a 10-tweet thread that breaks the advice down into punchy, standalone insights that are ready to be published. Next, I'll take a single successful LinkedIn post and ask for 5 platform-specific variations. I want the same idea rewritten for Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, along with a newsletter one-liner and a YouTube video hook. This is a great way to ensure the message feels native to each platform without being repetitive. It generates a visual-focused Instagram caption, a concise version for X, and a compelling hook that would work perfectly for a YouTube short or a long-form intro. To wrap things up, I'll ask the assistant to create a simple, repeatable framework that I can use for any piece of content I create in the future. It suggests a core-to-spokes model, showing how one pillar piece of content can be broken down into at least 8 different assets across various platforms. It even outlines a simple 4-step workflow, from extracting the main ideas to turning them into multiple formats and scheduling them out. With this system in place, I can turn a single hour of work into a whole week's worth of high-quality social media content. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.